Здравствуйте, уважаемые дамы и господа. Я сегодня хочу вам представить совершенно прекрасного человека, а самое главное, потому что много прекрасных людей, но самое главное, он великолепный специалист, адвокат. I want to introduce you to Robert Smoler, absolutely amazing lawyer who deals with, I have to tell it all, personal injuries, medical malpractice, workers' compensation, social security, disability, correct me if I am wrong, tracking out a motorcycle, bicycle accidents, all kinds of accidents, of course, slip and falls, neglect in nursing homes, and stuff like that. What I forgot? Probably nothing, Robert, no?
You did an excellent job of covering everything. We handle all accidents and injuries, personal injury, and workers' compensation.
There are many lawyers who do all this, but there are very few such as Robert. The difference is like between National Football League and amateur league in Highland Park, I would say. Nice to have you here, Robert.
Thank you for having me. I'm happy to be here.
Let me begin from this. Once upon a time in America, when we had just opened the publishing business, we invited a lawyer and his wife to a barbecue. And the first snow began to fall. And the wife of the lawyer, who dealt also with injuries, said, "Thanks God, finally, now they will start to hit their cars and on slippery roads." And I was shocked at first. And then it was, kind of funny and sad in the same time. But later I understood that she was right. It's true. There will be more accidents on the road. So what is your advice for someone who is injured in an accident?
So I'm glad you asked me that, Alex, because it's really important for people to know what to do when they're involved in an accident. The first thing that they always must do is report the accident right away, and they must get treatment right away. Many people, when they're in an accident, they won't immediately go for treatment. They'll put it off. They don't want to cause a bother. They don't want to enter litigation. They have all kinds of reasons not to go. But this is a huge, huge problem. We see it every day, because if you don't get treatment right away, the insurance company, the employers, whoever's looking at these claims are going to look at your case and not believe that you are actually injured, because someone who's injured gets treatment right away. So that's the most important thing I want everyone to take away from this talk today, is you must get treatment right away. If later you decide not to make a claim, or you get better immediately and you don't want to pursue it, you have that option, but you don't have it in reverse. You cannot go get treatment later and then want to make a claim.
You said to report and to get the treatment. To report, you mean to call the police right away, or to call?
Yep. So if you're in a car accident, you want an accident report. The insurance company is going to want to see that accident report. We can still make a claim without an accident report, but if you want to have the gold standard and give yourself the best opportunity to make a recovery, you want the accident report.
So you want us to call police first, your lawyer second, and then to look for treatment, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. Get the police there, get for treatment, call us.
Okay. Why has your firm been to go, as you say, firm for those injured on a job, or in a car accident, or in a park, or slip and fall accident in a store?
We have been the go-to law firm for our clients for over 30 years now, because we handle our claims in an individual manner. I'm their attorney. They're not going to one of these larger firms that's advertising on TV that has a bank of lawyers, associates, that they hand it down. So maybe originally you talk to the managing partner, or you talk to one of the partners, but then they hand your case down to an associate with lesser experience. Here, your case is handled from the beginning to the end by me. I have over 30 years of experience.
Another topic is medical errors and neglect in nursing homes. Unfortunately, there are plenty of examples, and I know it for sure because I have a lot of calls and sometimes emails from our readers, viewers, and listeners. Two questions, if I may. How can you prove that a medical error was actually committed? And another question, how to identify negligent attitude toward a patient in a nursing home, because older people can complain without good reason too sometimes, right? They may feel that they are being mistreated. Maybe I'm wrong.
Well, the first thing that anyone would have to have is an actual injury. So if there's an injury where someone has been injured, whether it's through medical malpractice or in a nursing home, that begins the investigation. And the investigation is done by us. Okay. So if a family has a family member or friend that's been injured through medical malpractice or in a nursing home, they want to contact us immediately. And we'll begin the investigation, and we will go through the case, obtaining all the medical records and any evidence we need to make that determination for them. And there is no charge for contacting us ever. We do not charge for consultations, going to court, talking to people. We only get a fee at the end of the case when we make a recovery.
Robert, tell me please, what's your firm motto?
We do have a motto because I've been doing this so long. One of the biggest things that happens with my clients they have injuries, they have medical bills, they're not able to work. There's a lot of worrying involved. And my job has always been to take that worry away from them. So my motto is that I tell them, I'll tell you when to worry. And I mean that. I want them to be able to take care of what they have to do. And their job really is just to get their treatment and get better. And my job is to take care of everything else for them.
Супер. Ну, господа, я надеюсь, что вы поняли все, что сказал Роберт. Я со своей стороны еще раз рекомендую вам его, потому что это не только опытный и очень, но главное, очень порядочный, знающий, фундаментально знающий свой предмет адвокат. Огромное вам спасибо, Роберт. Thank you very much. And
thank you.
Bye. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Thank you, Alex.
Bye.